I modeled my website after a similar website called Setlist.fm. Setlist.fm basically just compiles different set lists for different concerts. So I have pulled up right here the set list for One Direction at MetLife Stadium on their Where We Are concert tour. So as you can see, the website is kind of plain. It has a white background and the set list is just there. There's not really much else. There's different tour statistics and artist statistics, which generally compile how many times the artist plays the song, what songs they played per tour, with what frequency do they play what songs. But aside from that, there's not really much else. It feels very cut and dry, and it's also not genre specific. You could type in anything from Paul McCartney to Rihanna and something is bound to pop up. So although I really like Setlist FM, I felt like there was a better alternative to it, which is where my website comes in, Summer Soundtrack. So Summer Soundtrack has the same kind of feel to Setlist FM, except instead of being impersonal, it chronicles all of the concerts that I go to. I tend to only go to concerts within the pop punk genre, although sometimes I'll go to outliers such as One Direction. My website is formatted a lot differently from Setlist FM. The homepage is a picture of a fairly typical concert snack, which is Gatorade and French fries. All the pictures are taken using an iPhone, which is a lot different from other concert websites that tend to favor professional cameras. Most venues require you have a photo pass for professional cameras, so those blogs are written by people who are there for work as opposed to people like me who are there for fun. And the target audience of my website is other concert goers who go for fun. There are different dates listed on the side of the website, which are different dates I've gone to concerts. I kept it ambiguous for a reason. That way people would just click out of curiosity as opposed to knowing exactly what they were going for. We'll start with the future. These are all the concerts that I have coming up, although all of these dates have already passed. I kept it fairly simple on this, so I just did an artist picture, then the title of the artist, the date, the location, both the venue and the city, the price, and a link to the tickets. For shows that are sold out, I put a link to StubHub, and for shows that are not sold out, I put a link to Ticketmaster. The difference between Ticketmaster and StubHub is something that's pretty well understood within the target audience, and so I thought it was important to have that differentiated in the links. In addition to upcoming concerts, I really focused a lot on past concerts. Keeping with the theme of the asphalt in the background, I really wanted to give my website a textured look, and so all of the links are the actual ticket stubs from the concerts that I've been to. The past page right now only goes back a year, so this is all the concerts I went to in 2014. So we will start with One Direction, and we will compare this to Setlist FM. As you can see, it's a lot different. It's a lot more colorful, first of all, which is something that was really important to me. I wanted to give it personality as opposed to it just being very archival looking. The set list is on the left, which is the exact same stuff as Setlist FM because they only played one set list per show. The actual ticket that I was given is included on the right. A lot of people who are very religious about attending concerts are also very religious about keeping their tickets. So I thought it added an interesting texture to add tickets. The picture on the blog, for the most part, are all pictures that I took. My seats for this concert were especially horrendous, and so I felt the need to highlight that. And then underneath the picture are the things I liked about the concert, the things I didn't like about the concert, just my kind of take on the show. In addition, I also added a picture just for fun, which is One Direction wearing the football jerseys of the football stadium they were playing in, just to keep it fun. This is a lot different from Setlist FM because of the personality in it, and I thought that it really made a difference having that added personality as opposed to having it be very cut and dry. There is also a blog feature to it where there is a yet to be finished blog, And there's also my Twitter feed. That way it has, again, more personality. You can really get to know the person behind the concerts, and it, again, feels more personal, which is something that was extremely important to me. And then there is an About page, which is a little description of me, a very funny video of me, which everybody should watch because it's great, and then pictures of me with different celebrities. Again, my target audience would be ideally very into meeting celebrities, and so I thought it would be fun to highlight all the different celebrities that I've met. I think that what I achieved in this website that I couldn't achieve in, say, a painting is just the volume of it. Something like a painting is very singular. You can depict one thing and not anything else. With a website like this, you can chronicle many things as well as you can continue to build on it. And because the types of things that I do change every day, and this website is really meant to capture that, the ability to be able to change the website as often as I change my activities was very important in building the website. I really believe that a website is the best way to document all the ways that I've gone to concerts, and I think that my website especially is the perfect website for it.